Hello everyone and welcome to the Tailored Acres YouTube channel. I'm Taylor and I garden in Wisconsin, Zone 4B. Today I'm going to take you a walk around my gardens and go through everything that I plan to prune in late winter here, which is about February, March for us. The first plant that I'm going to be pruning shortly here are these rose bushes. There's actually two different kinds. This one is Princess Charlene DeMonico, I believe, and I got that one new last year. So that one is a different variety. It is own root, just like these ones down here, which are the Oh So Easy Italian Ice, which are a gorgeous rose, but they do say smaller. I did see that you don't have to prune them, but I think I'm going to anyway, just because they're kind of all over the place and unruly right now, and I'm hoping to keep them a little bit more tidy. The next one here that I'm going to be pruning is this gigantic hydrangea. So this one has been pruned up to be more of like a tree form, but it is super tall. So I pruned it back hard the last few years and it just seems to like that even more. So I'll be doing a separate video on how I've been pruning those if you're interested in that. I forgot to mention that last hydrangea, I believe, is a panicle hydrangea. That's how I've been treating it. It was here when I moved in, and I really don't know what kind it is, and there's two of them in our yard here, but they are gorgeous. The next one here is a limelight hydrangea. This was a new one for me this last year. I'm going to do some pruning to try to get it to be a more stable structure. And be more upright, sort of like my other panicle hydrangeas that I have. So this one will be getting a pretty nice haircut as well. I am going to go through, these are two new crab apples I got here, the little guy over there. I'm just going to go through any damaged, diseased, broken branches and remove those. This next hydrangea is an Invincible Ruby. And this is a smooth hydrangea. So I did cut off the blooms and dry them this last year. Looks like there was one extra one here. So I'm just going to go through and like clean up the spindly looking stuff, but leave the rest of it. I did already clean up my blueberry bushes here. And that is in a separate video if that's something that you are interested in, the blueberry pruning. This is a peach tree, and I am going to be doing a heavy pruning on it, and I will also do a separate video on this. This one was new last year, and I did clip the top of it off, and I had just, I believe, 4 main branches coming off, and this thing put on an insane amount of growth. I don't know if you can tell how tall that is, but it's over my head. So that one is going to get a heavy pruning. Peach trees grow super fast, so you need to keep them thinned so that they aren't going to get diseases. You need to ensure that good airflow through the plant. This hydrangea seems to be the same variety as the one in front. I'm going to be doing a very heavy pruning on this to help control this irregular shape it's getting, and I'll be doing that in a video as well. The last thing on my list is my apple trees. These are a dwarf variety. I have 3 Honeycrisps and a Halara. Just for pollination, they needed those. So all of these actually look really good. I don't think I have any pruning to do. Possibly this one branch here, you can see they're pretty close together. That's not super ideal. Something else I'm looking into is possibly doing some clothespins to help with the branches going out at a 60-degree angle. And that is everything that I will be pruning in my yard in Wisconsin, Zone 4B, late winter here. Take care.